Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vaishnavi and I really hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, as you guys read by the title, I'm going to share with you all my Nykaa haul. I have so many things to show you guys. There were so many crazy offers and I have restocked some favorites. I have ordered so many new products to try. So I'm so excited for this video. This is going to be a huge Nykaa haul. I have saved a lot of money and shopped a lot as well. Also, please don't mind my hair today. They are chappu. The weather is all over the place and my hair are not cooperating. So yeah, that's the thing. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start with this huge box. First of all, for showing all of the stuff, I just wanted to mention that delivery for this particular sale was all over the place. I placed an order on 19th and still it got me delivered like today. And first 3 attempts were unsuccessful, like I was not contactable even though I was not contacted. So I don't know how that happened, but that's the issue I faced. So now let's jump into the stuff. First thing I'm going to share with you all, which I have never used, is this eye cream, and this is from Dot and Key. It is the vitamin C and E super bright eye serum with SPF 30. This is how it looks like. I'm so excited to try this out because my sleep schedule is all over the place and I think I need to start using an eye cream. So yeah, this is the first thing. Next up, I have bought a very viral product. This is Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. I have never tried this, and this is in the shade Warm Sand, which is their darkest shade. I saw a review from Jovita on her channel where she reviewed this shade and it was a match for her. So I was really excited to try this out, and this is extremely affordable. This is under rupees 200. So yeah, I am so excited to try this out. If this work out for me, this will be my holy grail concealer because I'm in love with Elf's concealers. But most of the time मेरा shade जो होता है ना वो out of stock होता है, या फिर जब वो अवेलेबल होता है तो उनके ऊपर buy one get one नहीं होता है. So yeah, that's the issue. Next up, I have a refill, which is this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. Absolutely in love with this pencil. I actually have it right here. In love with this. मैंने इसको recommendations के वीडियो में भी ऐड किया था. So yeah, I have one more. So because I'm very particular about my eyebrow products, my eyebrows are jet black and brown जो है ना मेरे brows पे बहुत ज़्यादा fake लगता है. So this is a perfect match for my brow hair. So yeah, I'm so excited because I already have a backup. Talking about the restocking product, I have restocked my favorite Plum Niacinamide serum. In love with this serum. This niacinamide serum is the best serum available in the market. So yeah, I got this. In love with this serum. If you're looking for a good perfect niacinamide serum, go for this one. This is affordable as well और 3 sizes में आता है. So you can try it out first and then buy it. So yeah, that's the great thing about this product. Okay, next up I have this Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Gold Mine. You will be surprised to know मैंने आज तक कोई भी liquid highlighter try नहीं किया है. This is my first liquid highlighter. I used to use powder highlighter पहले और उसके बाद cream highlighters तक मैंने शिफ्ट किया था, बट आई नेवर ओन अ लिक्विड हाइलाइटर. एंड इसके काफी सारे रिव्यूज मैंने देखे थे. एवरीवन इज लविंग दिस. सो या, बट इसके बारे में एक कंप्लेंट मैंने सुना है कि इसका पंप कभी काम नहीं करता. सो या, लेट्स सी ये मेरे साथ भी होता है या नहीं. सो या, दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. एंड इन जनरल लिक्विड हाइलाइटर्स को लेके काफी सारे हैक्स जो है ना वो वायरल हो रहे थे, एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक आई एम मिसिंग out. So वो viral hacks try करने के चक्कर में I bought this. So yeah, I hope this will be not a regret but a great purchase. So I'm excited to try this out. Next up, I have this Nykaa Quad eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. This is in the shade 12, I guess. इसके ऊपर बस number लिखा हुआ है. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This has some really poppy colors. I have two eyeshadow palettes. One is from Mars, जो बहुत बड़ा वाला है उनका, वो है, and one is from Nika K, which is very very neutral. I cannot travel with that Mars eyeshadow palette, और हमेशा travel के time में nude look नहीं कर सकती, so I wanted something compact, travel friendly, so I bought this. This is also very colorful, and इसमें थोड़ा सा neutral भी है, as you can see here. So yeah, I wanted something compact but colorful which I can use for my travels. So I got this, and this was extremely affordable, guys. On the Nykaa purchase there was some offer, और ये दोनों product मुझे under 400 मिले. So it was a great deal for me, so I bought it and I'm so happy with this. And I forgot to mention, I have received so many freebies. I will show those by the end of the video, but I am so happy with my purchase. I have saved a lot of money. So yeah, this is a great purchase. इसको मैंने अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया, इसका प्लास्टिक भी नहीं हटाया मैंने, जस्ट अभी डिलीवर हुआ है. सो या, दिस इज अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट. मैंने काफी सारे रिव्यूज भी देखे हैं. आई थिंक श्रेया जैन लव्स दिस. उनके पास कोई ब्राउन वेरिएंट है इसका. सो या, आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई दिस out. In general, I am trying to experiment with my looks, reels या फिर transition बनाने के लिए. So this will be very handy for me. Next up, I have this Mars City Stroke Liquid Highlighter. Next up, I have this Mars City Stroke Liquid Eyeliner. This is in the pen form and this is in the shade white. I have never used white eyeliner, so I wanted to experiment with my looks and I bought this. In general, I have very small eyes. I have hooded eyes. I do not have any lid space. So I think I will be able to use this because white use करने से आपकी आंखें बड़ी दिखती है. So I have the kajal, now I have the eyeliner. Let's see what I can do. And in general, my love for graphic eyeliner is on another level. But because I do not have any lid space, I cannot draw a graphic eyeliner on myself, but I can draw it on other people. So yeah, this will be very handy for that. We are done with this box and we are going to open this box right here. In this box, firstly we have this combo. This is Nykaa Insta Like Nail Combo. This is a base coat and a top coat. So I'm so excited to try this out because you can see I do my own nails. I do not do acrylics. I do not do press-ons. These are my actual natural hair, touch wood. So I'm so cautious about my nail health and I never used to use base coat and top coat, and I have seen so many reels where this is extremely important to protect your nail. So I bought this for my nail health particularly. And also I have bought a lot of stickers from Amazon which I'm going to use on my nails. So the top coat was important, so I thought if I'm getting a combo deal which is way cheaper and I'm getting two products, I should buy this combo. So yeah, I'm excited to try this and those nail stickers. Do let me know if you want to see a shorts where I'm going to try those stickers on my nails in the comment section down below. So I'll make sure that you will get what you want. So yeah, this is the first thing. Next up, I have two products from Hyphen. First, I have this Pigmentation Corrector Daily Cream. This is how it looks like. This is a new launch, I guess. I have so many serums, I have so many sunscreen. I have never used any cream for pigmentation, so that's why I bought this to try this out. So I have a little bit of pigmentation right here. I'm going to try this and review it very very soon. My health is doing great, but this pigmentation is very very stubborn. It's not going anywhere, so I'm going to give this a try and hope for the best. Lastly, I have this Hyphen Peptide Infused Lip Balm. This is in the shade brown, I guess, or vintage. Not sure. I guess this is in the shade vintage because it's written right here. This is how it looks like, and so many people are comparing this with the Rhode Lip Balm. I already have her original lip balm, which is in the variant peach, I guess, which is great. I love that lip balm, absolutely in love with that lip balm, and that is also kind of a copy of Rhode lip balm. So when she came out with tinted variant, I was like, I need to get it because in love with tinted lip balms these days. So excited to try this out because Rhode is not available in India, so we can काम चलाओ with the Kriti Senon's lip balm. So yeah, and I'm not very excited about international products, honestly. They are very hyped, I feel. उनके पीछे बहुत बड़ा PR होता है, so I'm not going to waste my 1200 1300 rupees and ask someone to buy that for me from another country, but I will use this. I do not have any problem. In general, I'm not very excited about international skincare products, because ingredient to sare same ही use होते हैं. We can easily dupe it in our Indian market because Indian brands are doing great jobs. So yeah, I will support India's celebrity first, and then I will think about supporting any other country's celebrity. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. And this was all which I placed an order for, but इसके साथ साथ मुझे काफी सारे freebies भी आए हैं, so I'm going to mention those as well. Firstly, I got this Dot & Key Cica Calming Blemish Clearing Face Wash. This is in the travel size, so I'm so excited to try this out. I have used this moisturizer, which is really good, so I'm excited for this face wash. Next up, I have received this Swiss Beauty Matte लिपस्टिक. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. अभी मुझे फ्री में आता है ना मेकअप कैटेगरी में, मेरे शेड के लिए बिल्कुल भी वो ठीक ठाक नहीं होता है, सब मुझे वॉश आउट कर देता है. सो आई एम एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई दिस शेड आउट. एंड नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव अ लिपस्टिक फ्रॉम नायका. सी आई गॉट अ ग्रेट डील ऑन नायका प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, आई गॉट द लिक्विड हाईलाइटर एंड द नेल कॉम्बो अंडर ₹400, एंड उसके साथ साथ मुझे एक लिपस्टिक भी फ्री मिली है. सो आई एम happy with my Nykaa purchase. So this is their So Matte lipstick in the shade Caramel Mocha, and I love Nykaa's lipsticks in general. मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है उनके lipsticks, and this is how it looks like. I think this is going to wash me out again. So yeah, I will make this work with a lip liner. And I absolutely adore the packaging of this. This is a magnetic packaging. So yeah, I am excited to try this lipstick as well. And yes, that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and do let me know which products you have purchased from Nykaa sale. Everything will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.